Alright guys, in today's Battle of the Foundations, I am going to be trying a foundation that was recommended by one of my viewers, Leslie. So Leslie, thanks so much for asking me to give this a try. This is called Age 20's Essence Cover Pat. Now it's not a cushion foundation, it's a solid foundation. What's nice though is it comes with the little compact like this, and then in the box you get a refill for this. You can pick this up off of Amazon, and I'll have a link down below in the description box for it. It comes in 4 shades, so that's one of the drawbacks. The shade range is not that good because this is Korean Beauty and they don't tend to have a very good range of their shades. So number 20 is called White Latte, and this is best suited for very fair to medium golden skin types. Nude Beige is number 21, and that's best for very fair skin. Natural Beige 23, which is what I got, is most suitable for fair or light skin. Deep Beige 25 is suitable for medium neutral undertone of skin. And then Dark Beige 35 is suitable for medium golden tone of skin. So really it's 5 shades because the White Latte is just a white foundation. So you could use that like to mix in with other colors to lighten things. You do have to put the compact in, or fill things in, but that's nice because they are sealed up from the very get-go. Has a mirror inside, and it does come with the little cushion, and then you simply have your product in there, which was very pretty originally, but of course once you start swirling it around, it becomes a little mess. So I did things a little bit different today. For my primers, I went ahead and used my Tarte Clean Slate like I always do on just my pore areas. But this one wants to kind of grab at your skin, so I thought I would try a silicone-based primer. So I'm using my Amazing Cosmetics Anti-Aging Face Primer because this is a very silicone. Let me put some on the back of my hand. Let me see what I'm talking about. That's it right there, and that just makes it nice and slick. So I'm hoping that will help this go on a little bit better. Leslie said the best way to apply this is to like slide it on your face and then work it in. So let me tell you a little bit more about this. It does have an SPF of 50, plus it's got the PA+++, which I'll talk about that in just a second. So this luxury K-Beauty product does not clog pores, does not require a lot of touch-ups, is not cakey, and does not build up in layers. So it's wrinkle smoothing, brightening, the sunscreen, it's moisturizing, dewy compact filled with the foundation that is infused with essence. This product includes 68% super hyaluronic acid, and the hyaluronic acid holds 1,000 times its weight in water. It's very blendable and feels light on the skin. I disagree with that because I have tried this for a couple of days. Keeps your face moist with its hydrating effect, but not wet. Great coverage and awesome if you're looking for a foundation to keep in your purse or desk due to its compact size. Built-in mirror plus 1 refill included. So I saw the PA+++, and that got me wondering, what does that mean? Because I've seen that before on some other sunscreen products. So you may already know this. For those of you that don't, I thought I would share that information. So basically, the SPF part of it, that indicates the level of protection for UVB rays. Doesn't do anything about the UVA, just the UVB. So the PA comes in, and that covers the UVA rays. And it has a rating of either PA, PA+, PA++, or PA+++. So basically, that means it's measured by a Japanese measurement system. And it is based on, it's called persistent pigment darkening, so PPD. And it's a reaction reading about 2 to 4 hours after being applied and then exposed to sun. So the more plus signs, the better it is for giving you that protection. So a PA+ means the sunscreen can provide UVA protection from 2 to 4, and it can provide the protection of a medium UV radiation. sunscreens that are labeled PA++ have a PPD between 4 to 8 hours, and it's ideal for normal skin and an individual exposed to medium UV radiation. PA++, which is what is in this, is designed for normal skin that is exposed for very strong UV radiation. It provides good UV protection with a factor of PPD of more than 8. It is the highest grade of UVA protection currently available. So that means that this is going to give you that strong protection for both types of sunscreen that you need. It's the UVA that really causes the aging of our skin. So you want to look for something with that high PA++, if at all possible. So that being said, I am going to do my normal try the sponge on one side and a brush on the other. But I'm trying out a new brush that I've been using for the last few days. This is by EcoTools, and it actually came in this set. So you get these 3 brushes, and they're just very stiff, and I thought I'd give that a try. So let's get going here. I think what I'm going to do is start using the compact to get the product on my face. I'm going to start with the sponge side, and I'm just going to really scrape a lot of it. Oops. Let's get the hair out of the way first, guys. And I'm going to go in. You can see that this really kind of thick looking to put on. I think it just needs the heat of your skin to be able to start being blendable. So, quite a sponge here. It doesn't talk about if this is a full coverage, medium coverage, or what type of finish it has. I would say it's got a satin finish. Definitely want to set this one. It just did not dry down, and I would say it's got medium coverage as well. My skin is very red today for some reason. I woke up that way. Didn't do anything new or is any products on my face, so I don't know what that's from. Okay, so that's one layer. Didn't do an awful lot. I still see a lot of my hyperpigmentation coming through. So let's go in with that brush and try it on this side. Okay. You're using that silicone primer, I can tell the difference already. Definitely making it easier to blend in. See more of my concealer coming through than anything. Because I'm a little heavy-handed on my concealer. All right, let's try building this up. Try using this little pad. I haven't even tried that. It's a good idea. Use the actual tool that came with it, huh? I also say that this is very lightweight. I never felt that this was lightweight. It felt very heavy on my skin. This is doing a better job of blending, but I'm spending a heck of a lot of time to do this. And my skin is normally normal. It can get dry Right now it's normal. As you can see with these lights on, it just looks very, very dewy. It's extremely tacky, and it does come off at this point. I gotta use my little handheld mirror, which is new. Isn't that cute? You can see it without the glare. This is very patchy. All right, I don't think I could get this looking any better. Let me go ahead and finish up the rest of my makeup, and I will be back in just a bit. All right, guys, I am back, and I have all my makeup completed. So before we talk about the foundation, let me quickly go over everything that I have on my face. For concealer today, I used my Huda Beauty Obsessions. This is just incredible. I absolutely love it. And as I already mentioned, I use the Amazing Cosmetics Anti-Aging Face Primer today. And of course, I have to use my favorite, the JOA Selfie Ready Powder. This stuff is incredible. If you haven't got it yet, go get it. You're going to love it. And then for my bronzer today, I used both the Marc Jacobs Tantastic Omega Bronzer and then the Tarte Hotel Heiress for kind of a little bit of contouring just in there. For blush today, I used two blushes. I used my Jouer blush in this shade, which is called Old Me. So I used that. And then a little bit of the Essence Satin Touch blush, and this is in Satin Love. For my eyeshadow today, I haven't tried this before, so this was a new one for me, and I really, really like it. This is the Maybelline, the Matte Bar, and I don't know if this comes in different colors or not, but this is the one I got. Let's open it up so we don't get the light reflecting on it. It blended out so easy, so I'm very excited about that. I went all over my lid with this. This was my transition shade, and then I took a little bit of this deep reddish color with this dark brown right here and went into the crease. And then I used this shade here underneath my eyes, and then a little bit of the deep red again under there. And then I took, doing this all backwards, this kind of a yellowish shade and put that all over the lid with a little bit of the red shade just right on the outer corners as well, and blended that all in. This blended out so beautifully, so this is indeed a good keeper. Brows, had to use my Brow Blade by Urban Decay. Mascara today, I used my Essence Volume Stylist. This is 18-hour Curl and Hold. This is one coat of mascara, folks. It doesn't smudge on me, and it lasts all day. And then for a lip liner today, I used the Kokie lip liner. This is a retractable one in Warm Nude. And then this is going to be coming up in a haul that I put it on today, so I thought I'd share it now. This is by LA Splash. I've never heard of them before, and it is part of their Golden Gatsby pop-up lipstick collection. So for starters, can we just talk about how beautiful the packaging is? This beautiful rose gold, and it has a mirror on the side, and it didn't come with instructions, so I was a little confused on how to do it because there's nothing to like pull apart. So what you do is on the top, you press it, and the tube comes out the bottom. So I just thought that was the neatest little design. I got mine in, what color did I get? Cocoa. So this is really fun. I think I'm going to look and see if I can find some other shades in that. So all of this, oh, sorry, one last thing. And then to set my makeup today, I use the Catrice Prime and Fine Dewy Glow Fixing Spray. This is my first time using it, and I think it looks really, really good. We'll see how it does as far as just keeping my makeup on. I've been using their mattifying one, but since this foundation had such a glow to it, I wanted to kind of keep that going instead of, because the powder kind of mattified everything. So let's talk about the foundation now. Now, you know, I love a full coverage foundation. This is not a full coverage foundation. This is a medium, because I am seeing a lot of my blemishes, not blemishes, just, you know, hyperpigmentation and things like that coming through. But it looks good. It still feels a little bit heavy on my skin, but I can live with it. The one thing I like is it's not settling into any of my creases, and it didn't do that the last time I wore it. Now, this is very transferable, so definitely set it with powder. Make sure you use a setting spray as well, because otherwise this is going to get all over the place. It will also move on you, so be careful. If you have oily skin, I don't think you would care for this. I think this is more for normal to dry type of skin, just because it is so slick. That's the best way I can put it. It's just slick. So if you have oily skin, I don't think you'd be able to get it to like latch on. This almost needs like a primer that will just kind of grab onto everything, but at the same time let you slide it around. So I don't know, maybe I still haven't found the right primer to use with it. We shall see. Maybe I just shouldn't use one at all. Who knows? So would I buy this? Probably not. I like the benefits that it has. I will continue to use it when I need a good SPF foundation and I want something that, you know, maybe I just want to be able to put a little bit of color on my face, be safe out in the sun, and just not worry about it because it is waterproof, things like that. It'll last. So just not one of my favorites, unfortunately, but it's still nice looking. It does look very nice, and I like the benefits that it does have with the hyaluronic acid and everything like that. So it's good for your skin. So I think that wraps everything up, you guys. I want to thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel and you have not subscribed to my channel yet, or if you're a regular viewer and you haven't taken the time to subscribe to my channel, please go ahead and just do that. There is a subscribe button somewhere around in this area. Next to it's a little bell. You go ahead and hit that bell, and that way you'll be notified when I upload new videos. That's every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Thursday is a dedicated day to do all of my foundation reviews. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. That helps not only me, but all the other YouTubers out there. It lets me know that you also enjoy these types of videos. And of course, if you have any comments, questions, suggestions, things like that, feel free to leave a comment down below. So until next time, you guys, I love you all, and bye-bye.